Good morning, everyone! So, our subject for today is all about language, culture, and society. And the topic that we're gonna show you with my group mates is all about Pidgin and Creole languages in the Philippines. But first, let me introduce myself and my group mates. I am J. Ann Mariti Padilla.
And I am Elmira Monong.
And this is GB Mylon.
And lastly, I am Giselle L. Bagutan.
What is Pidgin languages? Pidgin languages are simplified forms of communication that emerge when people speaking different languages need to interact. They are learned as a second language and are characterized by limited vocabulary and simplified grammar, often borrowing elements from the languages evolved. While they can evolve, they generally remain structurally simple, lacking complex grammatical features.
May buntag, ma'am. Ano sa inyo, ma'am?
I love it. How much is this, Mom?
Natay English. Gusto na po ni.
What are you saying?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Give to me. Give to me. Macy. Tag 85, ma'am.
What is this cinco?
85, ma'am.
85. Is it 85 pesos?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll take it. Here the money.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have a pen paper?
Yes, ma'am. Naa.
Okay, I'll buy one rim.
Unsay size sa bond paper, ma'am?
For ma'am.
185, ma'am.
Okay, I take this.
Salamat, ma'am.
What? Salamat.
Salamat means thank you.
Okay. Salamat means thank you. In your language, what is welcome?
Welcome means way sa payan, ma'am.
Okay. Salamat. Tuway sa payan. Salamat, ma'am.
Way sa payan.
Next one, or the other one, is Creole languages. What is Creole languages? Creole languages are fully developed languages that evolve from Pidgin. They become the native language of a community, with children learning them as their first language. This leads to a more complex grammar and vocabulary, making them distinct from their parent Pidgin.
Hi, guys! Hi, Ben! I'm sorry, I'm late kasi yung driver namin. Ang slow mag-drive. Oh my gosh.
You look so beautiful.
JB, you're still you're still rocking that style, huh?
Oh my gosh, kayo binablush nyo.
So, anong plano natin ngayon, guys? Where are we now? Where are we going? I was thinking na grab tayo sa ice cream. So, it's been a while since nung naghalo-halo tayo.
Yes.
Nag-crave naman na. Nag-crave na ako ng ice cream.
So, shall we go? Let's go! How much your lanzones, te?
Kanay ko ano, sir, ha? 60, 40.
Sure?
Kailan may bitchin ko?
May I try it? 1 kilo?
Tapos kayo. Ilang ito?
1 kilo of this one. Kilo?
Every kilo?
Yes. Yes.
Ay, mga bilang kilo.
Kapit nila ng ugas ng kilo.
Okay ko mo? Yung ganap ko mo.
Te, may I ask you, te? Pwede may mangutan na, te? How's your life of being a vendor, te? Sana, kumain ka? Sa'yo ka. Sa feelings mo, mamili kayo nga te. Hindi ka nang, this is your source of income, pati ka nang, para na mo income.
Mura.
Lain.
Nagwantay ra man ko ani day.
Ah,
Di mo ko tagya.
ay. Pila po imong kwanti ka ng income nimo in a day.
Depende. Kaya ang tagya ni ako mo magulang.
Alaan ra pati.
Kami nilang ro.
Di ba? Ano?